Sorry, there was a problem with your request. Problem solved. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram like this, click on force stop, click on data users, and then you have to enable the roaming data and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and disable only the background data like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click delete, and then click on clear cache. And now you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Instagram and update it right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.